What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel.
It's your boy Mike.
And Veronica.
And we're back at it with another vlog for y'all. So
we're starting that official because Mike is actually going to record me, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the cameraman today. I just want to come say what's up, you know.
So what are we doing today?
Yeah, so tomorrow is London's second birthday. So we decided to make her some treats so she can enjoy the day, right?
Yeah. And we actually have Brooklyn sleeping with London right now. Literally, she's next to him, protecting him. But there's this shushing machine, and I think that they're gonna be able to hear that. So we'll try to turn it off without waking him up.
As you can see, we got some peanut butter, banana. I don't even know what we're making. Go ahead, babe. Babe, go tell them what you're making today.
You guys, I've never made those treats, and I do it right now, hoping that it's going to work out, because we were in Poland this year. That I actually got this gift that is so cute, you guys. I'm gonna show you right here. I hope it's going to focus. Oh, there it is. You can see right now. Can you see? And I am planning to make a treat. Not too many, because again, she's a little dog and overweight.
You're gonna be sharing with her, so.
So you guys. But I just looked up this like quick recipe, and maybe some of you will make for your dogs, because again, I think everybody in American household has those three ingredients. It's going to be oats, peanut butter that we don't have much of, which is good. Again, she doesn't need that as much. And then just a ripe banana right here. I have some cookie cutter things that are Christmassy, as you guys can see. Well, it's about that time. So I'm gonna choose one for her. One, maybe a couple, I don't know. I don't know how many treats. I think maybe 3 treats, that's more than enough.
Maybe we can give to some of the neighbors, but downstairs or something. Enough.
I remember one day, you guys, when we, check this out, we did Vlogmas and we did those cookies, you remember? Christmas cookies. That's why actually we had that still in the household, because that was the last time we made any cookies. You guys, we gave that to these kids outside because there were so many.
They were rock hard.
They were rock hard.
They probably good too.
I mean, you know, the first day they were good, but the next day it was, oh my goodness. And they were smashing, like, you remember? They were like, thank you so much. I was surprised that they even took them. Like, I don't think that if the stranger came up to me with the cookies, you know, I would have just, oh, hey, thank you. Would you? Especially homemade cookies. Anyway.
They saw us around the complex.
Yeah, that is true. So
yeah, we're gonna get right to it. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna be the cameraman in this video, so I'm gonna be behind the scene today. I'm gonna let your girl take over.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, so you guys, you'll need 1 banana, half cup of natural peanut butter, and 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. I have those little oats. I don't know if these are old-fashioned. I like old-fashioned, which are larger. Yeah. Sorry, I'm looking at Mike right there, but you know, he likes those, so we're just gonna use the tiny ones. I'll take a fork because this one's like a little bit thicker. I already use like whatever I have left. It's not much, but if I get a 1/4 cup, so it should be enough. This is peanut butter hard. What in the world? But let's see. One of these already, you guys, she already came. Because she smells that peanut butter. That's so funny. Just gonna get whatever we, oh my goodness, whatever we got in here. Lumpy. Lumpy. Alright. That's not that much, as you can see. Maybe not that much, maybe 1/4. I don't have that. That's gonna work. As you guys can see, like, this is my consistency. So I don't know, because of the texture right now, if that pattern is gonna show at all, right? Alright guys, so this is the consistency. I'm just gonna put that here so I can make the patterns, cut it out. I don't know if that's gonna, actually I should probably put some flour, because how am I gonna scrape it off the table? you know? Do you think that will work?
I have no idea.
Look, let's see. It absolutely does not work. It absolutely does not work, you guys. I'm so disappointed right now. So Lundy, we tried. And by the way, it says here, I love my dog, which is so cute. So this is a fail. But I'm going to try to make those treats to the best of my ability. Now I really don't care even what shape at this point. Maybe that one. Let's see if I'm able to make any shape of that. That looks pretty good, right? So as you can see, I made my shapes. So here's a little reindeer, a little present, a little, what is it called? Snowman, and a Christmas tree. So because it's November, we're getting in a Christmas mode, you guys. These are going to be the treats for Lundy. Let's put it in the oven. 10 minutes, guys. Mine are a little thicker, as you can see right here, so I may have to keep them a little bit longer, but again, so she'll be able to bite it. But let's get it done. I'm just gonna put it for 10 minutes, guys, and that's it. All right, guys, let's see. I hope that's gonna work. And again, Bella's gonna keep our health teeth. But tomorrow we are going to celebrate her birthday, the entire family. I got some cute little decor, and again, we'll catch you guys tomorrow as it's very late already, right? And I'm about to feed Brooklyn soon. Yeah, so, oh wait, am I gonna show them the treats?
What's tomorrow?
Today, if they even come out good. But we want to start that vlog, you guys, because again, this is just a cute idea for your little ones. I know that some people actually make those treats and freeze them because it's literally three ingredients. You don't have to actually bake them. I decided to bake them just because I thought the little weenies are going to, I don't know, like imprint in those cookies, but they won't. So if you have like a little trays to freeze them, you can just put that in there, freeze them, and that's it. All right, let's see. Da-da-da-da. Oh my goodness. I was taking my time, guys. I almost burned myself. I'm back. Today is the big day. It's Lundy's 2nd birthday. Everyone wish Lundy happy birthday in the comments, guys. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got London for her birthday. And I'm about to show you right now because I'm planning to do like a little surprise setup for him. I cannot believe she's 2, you guys. Like, this is insane. So we actually got her in February, so a couple months later, but she was born November 30th. So yeah, I'm not gonna just extend that, part here. I'm just go right ahead and show you what we got. Alright, baby girl. You excited? You excited? Thank you, kisses. Thank you. Love you. Alright. Let's put her down. Let me show you guys. I'm so excited. So I have this little board here, chalkboard, and a marker, white marker for it. I don't know what I'm gonna write on it yet, but here's her birthday gift bag, you guys. So we got her 2 harnesses. One is a pink one like that. I got it at Kohl's. It was actually on sale, and this is size small. Really cute. I think it was less than $10, you guys. So never too many of those. Here is another harness, which is kind of more solid. It is from PetSmart. I just went and got her food. I saw that. It was also on sale. I got it in size medium. This is actually reversible, which is awesome. The other side is straps like that. So it looks a little like a tiger. Mike said that she's gonna look like a boy. But you guys, come on now, like these are flowers. I don't know why people always take London as she's a boy and everybody, oh, look at this cute fella. And we just go like, okay. I guess they're just referring to her as, you know, a dog. I go ahead, there's little treats right here. They Barquitos, you guys, like Cheetos. Right? So that was cute. What else I got here? So for the little setup, I got the happy birthday sign. I'm about to put that up, and I got her a little number 2 balloon, you guys. You saw the treats that I baked already, which is so exciting. At Target, you guys, this was so cute. It's called Happy Birthday. It's a little sprinkled apple cinnamon flavored dog treat, and it's a birthday cake. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to split those treats, like, you know, like for a couple of days. I definitely am not gonna give her all of that. This, you guys, she already got a hold of it once Mike put the bag on the ground when I bought it, and she took it out of the bag, you guys. So she already knows about that one. It's a little bacon flavored bone. It's a durable chew, size small. I got it at Kohl's as well. I don't know, it was like around $10 as well. She loves those. And what else I got? I got us little birthday hats for entire family, you guys. So everybody will fit that. Brooklyn, London, and both of us. So, and what else I'm planning to hang is, I have this little, what is it called? I don't even know, like a thread rope. And I have the cutest, I don't even know where I have that from in my household, but this is some paper, as you guys can see, with the paws, and I'm about to make like this little garland to dress the wall with it for her. So yeah, I think that's about it, you guys. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys how the wall turned out and this little setup for her. It's not too much, but you guys, you know, it's just like a symbolic thing to celebrate our baby girl. And I'll show you guys what I've done. If you have the little ones like that, just, you know, always make their special day special. They remember that.
I want that sweet life, I want that fancy life. I don't want to live a fast life. Oluwa ba mi ṣe o, go jẹ́ kí n go ere o. Say na your hand it o, they make you bless my way. As I know we like so, whoa whoa yeah, make I know carry last o. Baba, as I know we like so, I dey beg o yeah, make I know carry last o. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi jọ̀ọ́ má sùn wá. Carry me go where my blessings dey, carry me go where my progress dey. Oríyá mi jọ̀ọ́ má sùn, áńgẹ́lì mi má sùn wá. Carry me go where my blessings dey, carry me go where my success dey. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi bá mi ṣe wá. Jẹ́ kí kórè délé. máa sùn wá. Carry me go where my blessings dey. Carry me go where my progress dey. Orí ìyá mi jọ máa sùn. Áńgẹ́lì mi máa sùn wá. Carry me go where my blessings dey. Carry me go where my success dey. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi bá mi ṣe wá. Jẹ́ kí kórè délé, jẹ́ kí kórè délé o. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi bá mi ṣe wá. Jẹ́ kí kórè délé, jẹ́ kí kórè délé o. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi bá mi ṣe wá. Jẹ́ kí kórè délé, jẹ́ kí kórè délé o. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi bá mi ṣe wá. Jẹ́ kí kórè délé, jẹ́ kí kórè délé o.
Yo, so we are back in the vlog. Before we go ahead and celebrate London's birthday, we wanted to go ahead and show y'all little Brooklyn's outfit that he has on.
It says,
What does it say, babe?
going home to meet my best
There
friend.
goes his bestie, big sis. There you go. Oh, he's smiling for y'all.
Hey, say hello. Say hello to everybody.
So as y'all can see in the back, that's what we put together for a little celebration. Got her little Fendi, a little Prada in there for her. And you see Lundy, happy birthday. Come here, girl, come here.
Hey, let's celebrate.
You 2 years old.
Yay. We're gonna start with her treats. Here you go. Your birthday. Look, she's interested in his shoes. His celebration shoes, yay!
Wait till you see those treats.
This shoe. What's right here for you? Right here. These are your gifts, look. These are not your gifts. She wants his shoes. Look.
Look, Lundy,
Niño.
it's for you.
What is that?
What?
What is that? Look. Oh my goodness. Look. There you go.
What you got, Lundy? Wow, a little harness.
Wow. Look at that.
Look at you, look at her, she happy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now we gotta sing happy birthday.
Her brother is not interested at all. And if y'all didn't notice, go ahead and peep the hats we got for her. I got mine on, don't worry. So go ahead, babe, you the lead singer.
Brooklyn. It's your birthday. It's Lundy's birthday.
Oh, she's gone.
Lundy shoe. Come here. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lundy. Happy birthday to you. Wow.
What? Yeah.
Where you going?
She already knows. Lundy, come here. Look. It's for you. Lundy. Lundy just took it. Lundy. Come here. Lundy.
Little man wants some titty. He wants some. He hungry.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Lundy. Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yay! Show his shirt. Going home to meet my best friend. Aww. And look at his party shoes. You guys, they make a sound, so that's why Lundy loves those. Yay! It's like a real rattler. Oh.
Oh, it's over.
That's it. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, girl! Happy birthday! Hey, let me show you. Happy birthday! Yay! Look at you. Happy birthday! Yay! I love you. We love you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, my love.
We hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog celebrating London's birthday. Look at her.
Lundy! Oh my goodness! Yay! Alright guys, that's it you enjoyed it. Happy birthday to Londi.
Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and as you see, we're a little busy, so we gotta go. So hurry up.
See you guys in the next video.
Peace.